Watch this carefully. One powerful free kick, and suddenly, something drops from the sky. At first, nobody understands what just happened. Then the cameras zoom in, and you realize it's a seagull. In the middle of a promotion-deciding match between Istanbul Yurdum and Mevlanakapi Guzelhisar, the ball strikes the bird mid-air. It falls, motionless. The stadium goes silent. The goalkeeper, Muhammet Uyanik, looks devastated. He didn't even realize what he had hit. And then, something incredible happens. The captain, Gani Catan, rushes over. No hesitation. No panic. He lifts the bird, repositions it, and starts performing CPR. Not a medic. Not trained. Just instinct. For nearly 2 full minutes, he keeps going. And then movement. The bird's legs twitch. Its eyes respond. Against all odds, it survives. They may have lost the match that day. But in that moment, football didn't matter. Saving a life did.
Thanks for watching and stay tuned. The next story may be even bigger. Goodbye.